Hey guys, Dave here from Affinity YouTube channel. Now this is the video series on pro level color grading in Affinity Photo. In this video I will show you pro gold color grading effect. Plus you can download this free color grading effect as alert that I have created in this video. Link in video description and password in this video. So please watch this video till end and unlock this free LUT file and use it in your project. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video. And you can follow me on my Instagram account where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, as always, select your image, go to adjustment, channel mixture. Select blue channel, make green 100%, blue 0%, change blend mode, lighten. Go to adjustment, HSL, select cyan, reduce saturation minus 80%. Adjustment, selective colors, here select color reds, cyan plus 50%, yellow 100%, make rest as same 0%. Go to neutrals, cyan minus 25%, yellow plus 10%, black plus 10%. Go to blacks, cyan minus 5%, keep rest as same 0%. Use brightness and contrast. Contrast plus 20%. Now make this effect as alert. Go to top, menu, file, export alert, give a title, and save it. And that's it. This is my final output. Now go to adjustment, scroll down, LUT, click this gear icon, import this effect and apply it. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video, subscribing this Affinity Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Affinity Photo effect tutorials. Also, share your valuable comment on this video. You can connect me on my Instagram account, link in video description, and also you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching. I'm Dav from Affinity Vibe YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next video soon. Till then, keep practicing cause practice makes us perfect, and have fun with Affinity Photo.